Hey guys, welcome back to Camera Review Stuff. And this week, I want to bring you, or I should say today, I want to bring you the audio adapter by Vantec, right? Check it out. It's a 7.1 channel, right? If you use the digital, the SPDIF. Just some of the features that we have on here. It's a simple USB 2.0 connection, right? Full duplex recording and playback. I'll show you all the details right now. You got a line in for direct recordings. You got two microphone inputs, and you have for your 5.1 and your 7.1. So hopefully the camera picks that up, right? And so this is what happened to me. I upgraded to the Windows 10. And my audio stopped working, right? I don't know if you're having this problem, but I'm sure a lot of people are, right? Well, maybe it could be my computer. It's I'm gonna say about 4 or 5 years old already, right? So the problem was that I went in to update the drivers for the audio on the motherboard, right? Because a lot of your audio stuff is on your motherboard, and the last update was in 2010. Okay, needless to say, there's no way for me to update these drivers. So what I had to do was I had to purchase an external USB sound driver. Okay, and this is what this is, right? Here you can see when you power it, you can see the mic when it's muted. You got your volumes up and down, and these actually show you on the screen when you press them, right? You got your mute, right? So you can mute your speakers and then mute your microphone. Okay, so these are the buttons up here in the front with the two displays. In the back, you can connect this is like a printer type port that has a USB that you connect to your computer, and then you got your two SPDIFs right here, which are your digital inputs. And then you got your two channels, right? Your two inputs for the microphones. And then in the front, you got your headphones, a line in. You got your regular speakers for your computer speakers. You have your 5.1, and then you got your 7.1, right? Pretty cool device. It worked great. For Windows 10, it's Windows 10 compatible. And you didn't have to install any drivers. You just plugged it in and it came up by itself. Like in a couple of seconds, you were up and running. I really like this product. $26 I think I paid for this. And it's a better deal than buying a whole new motherboard, taking it down to the geek store. What's it called, the geek store? Oh, it's Best Buy, I'm sorry. Take it down to the Geek Squad at Best Buy. And they charge you at least $300, right? So $26, that's fine by me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's really not much to show other than you plug it in and it works, right? And that's the key word, it works. All right, thumbs up. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time with another cool gadget or product. Laters. Peace.